Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to use CapCut templates on your personal computer. To do that, open your browser and search for CapCut templates. Now in here, click Free Online Video Templates and you can see now the official website of CapCut where you can see the templates that are available for you. Just sign in to your account and access those templates. There are a lot of templates are available on CapCut. You can choose. Just sign in to your account and use those templates. Example of available templates on CapCut are fun. You can see the business, beat, together, vlog, special day, animation, and lyrics, and many more. To use those templates on CapCut, just choose one, then click on it, and then click use this template. And you can now edit your template. So that's how to use CapCut templates on your personal computer. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.